Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. I've actually noticed that my eyes become very small while I'm talking, and so I'm just consciously trying to keep them open. Coming back to the subject, today's video is a motivational video. Basically, if you're preparing for an exam, specifically UPSC Civil Services exam, and you are stressed because you are not able to remember the things that you're supposed to remember, or you're worried whether you will be able to finish your syllabus on time or not, this video is specifically for you. When I decided that I wanted to prepare for the UPSC Civil Services exam, I was actually at a stage where I was very ignorant about things. It just randomly came to me that I wanted to prepare, and I had no base knowledge to work on. So in order to start preparing, first thing I did was, of course, go through the syllabus, checked out a couple of questions, did understand a thing over there. And so I went to YouTube and tried to find out the toppers talks. I actually went through a lot of toppers talks. Almost all of them that were there at that time on Delhi Knowledge Track, I think, and even GS Core or Vision IS, all the toppers talks that were out there, I saw them all. Even there were some toppers who gave talks on different platforms, so I watched both of those. So it was just too much. Like, I just couldn't get over it because I wanted to know everything that was to know about the exam, all the people's strategies, what books they refer to. I just wanted to get so used to it before I start that I should know exactly what to do before I start, and that's what I was trying to do there. That actually turned out to be a little counterproductive as well. I'll tell you how. So I was looking at one of the toppers talk, which was by Prerna Singh ma'am. She is an IAS 2018 batch, I think, and she gave like a couple of toppers talks on Delhi Knowledge Track. One of the talks was very comprehensive, in which she shared all of her resources, all the strategies that she used. How did she tackle which subject. She also talked about how to tackle certain things and how, she didn't say how to remember, but she did say that what all you need to remember. And I remember specifically that she said that, you are supposed to remember all the rivers and their tributaries. And, she's like, I'm so sorry to say that, but yes, you do have to remember it. And I was very scared because growing up, I was very afraid of geography. And for the life of me, I just couldn't imagine me being able to remember, all the rivers and their tributaries and, what kind of soils are there. Of course, the types of soils were not scary to me that much at that time, but I was more scared about which crop grows where and which minerals are found where. And, I was thinking, okay, remembering one thing is a different thing, but I have to remember all of it together. And what if I mix it up? And I was just way too scared. In fact, I was so overwhelmed that I had, on some levels accepted that I'm not going to ever being able to clear this exam actually. But I'm going to prepare nevertheless because, there's nothing to lose for me over there. Like, I will get to do something new, and in the process, I will become a better person and a better citizen of our country. And so I decided to just keep going with it. During my journey, I continued watching, videos from the Lipasna and watching the toppers talks of the new students and their excitement and everything. And, I got this, incredibly strong desire that I also want to be there and I do want to crack it. It's not just for preparing. I want to make it through the exam. And when that happened, I realized that I again got overwhelmed because I was thinking, initially when I was thinking that I'm not going to make it, it was okay preparing because, I didn't have any dreams to get there. But now that I do have those dreams, I have to try to remember. And the more I tried to do that, the more it became difficult for me to remember. And I just couldn't remember things. I would read them, I would reread them. Few things I'll remember, and then few days later I would try to recall it, and then I just couldn't. I mean, few things I could, of course, but I wouldn't be able to remember it in the kind of way that I wanted myself to remember. And so in that process I was not able to complete cover a lot of ground. And then when I wanted to cover more ground, and I felt that I'm not remembering, so it was just too much of a mess. But then one time I actually started solving some questions. Like I came across some tests, and I had to write test on that day, and I started solving questions, and I was surprised because I was able to solve a few questions from the topics that I felt that I do not remember. But I remembered, some information from that, and I was able to solve it. At least I was able to eliminate things, and I was able to solve it. And then that actually struck me at that time, that the key to all of that is you don't have to try to remember. All you have to do is make sure that you get so familiar with the entire syllabus that even if you don't remember the nitty-gritties of it, you remember enough to be able to eliminate things for the multiple choice questions. And if you remember enough for that, you are surely going to be able to know enough to write the answers. Of course you will need some data, but you don't have to remember every data. All I'm trying to say here is that you need to trust your brain, and you need to trust your ability. You might feel that you're not remembering, but you might have remembered a couple of things when you are reading in the first go. When you will read it again in the second flow, you will remember few more things. Eventually, you will not have to make an effort to remember. You will remember on your own. And that's exactly how you will be able to cover grounds. If you get stressed right now, then there is a chance that you might not be able to finish the syllabus, which will not do any good. So please just keep going as it is. Do not worry, because I'm sure that you will be able to remember eventually. So that was my video for today, guys. If you liked it, please click a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that so that we can all help each other, stay motivated, and we can crack this exam together.